Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me. I'm Miss Monica. I'm from the North Richland Hills Library, and it's time for our story time. So you know what we always do? We sing our good morning, our welcoming song, the more we get together. We clap and clap, clap and clap. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Because your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Let's do it one more time. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Because your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. That was great. Thank you for singing The More We Get Together with me. I really like that song. Let's shake out our sillies. Shake your arm, shake your arm, shake, 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 shake. Shake your arm, shake your arm, shake your legs, shake your legs, shake, 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 shake. Shake your whole body, shake your head, shake your head, shake your whole body. All right, you got it? Let's get our wiggles from our toes and our knees, our elbows, our shoulders, our wiggly ears, all around our face. Got them in the wiggle. I'm gonna grab the wiggle can. I'm gonna put mine in. Mine are in the wiggle can. Now it's time for you to put yours in the wiggle can. Oh, wow. Woo, lots of wiggles in here today. Okay. All right. And we have Dancer. She's going to join us for our story time. She's going to pop up and say hello. Let's see what she does. Here she comes. There she is, our regular Dancer. Hi, Dancer. And she's saying hello to you. She's going to blow you a big horsey kiss. Ready? All the way out there to everybody. I'll put her right here. There we are. So today I have two new books for you. These were on our new bookshelves, and I thought they were so fun. I wanted to share them with you. They're from Sesame Street. I love Sesame Street. I watched Sesame Street when I was your age or younger, and I hope you're watching Sesame Street. So let's see what Sesame Street has brought us today. This is Love from Sesame Street, and both of these books are published by Sourcebooks, and I want to say a big thank you to Sourcebooks for letting us read these books to you during our virtual story time. This one is by the Sesame Workshop, and it's illustrated by Ernie Kwiat. Love is a sunny day. Love is dancing by yourself to your favorite song. Love is being an everyday hero. Woohoo! Love is infinite bigger than all of the numbers. And here's the count he should know. Love comes in all shapes and sizes. Love is building something together. Love is giggles and kisses and hugs and squishes. Love sings in every language. La 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 la. Love is being kind to your best friends and all your friends. Love makes all kinds of sounds. Honk, 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 hello. Oscar the Grouch says, I like it messy. Love is accepting life even when it is messy. Love is an amazing family and a soft bunny. Love is cookies and then more cookies. I like cookies too. Love is magical and full of wonder. Love is everywhere, all around you. The end. Wow, that's a great book to remind us that love is small and big and is everywhere and in everyone. All right, right, let's sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. All right, here we go. Ready? And remember, we usually have 2 other spiders join us besides the regular Itsy Bitsy. Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again, and he crawled out the window. Oh, who came in? Oh, you know who it is. It's the great big hairy spider. Are you ready? Everything's big and hairy. Here we go. The great big hairy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all that rain, and the great big hairy spider went up the spout again. And he crawled out the window. Phew, the great big hairy spider is gone. Whoop! Who came in? The teeny tiny spider. Here we go. Ready? The teeny tiny spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the teeny tiny spider went up the spout again. And he crawled out the window. All the spiders are gone. Let's get to our next book by Sesame Street. This is What is Family on Sesame Street? And again, it's published by Sourcebooks, which we are so happy that they have given us permission to read these books. The words are by Craig Manning and the pictures are by Ernie Kwiat again. When you think of a family, what comes to mind? How would you describe it? Which words do you find? No exact meaning quite fits like a glove, except maybe this one, it's all about love. From the day you were born, your family is there to protect and support you and show you they care. They raise you and teach you and watch as you grow and do what they can to let their love show. But it's not just parents who will see you through. Grandmas and grandpas make up a family too. They pass down traditions and wisdom galore, and let's be honest, they spoil you more. Some families are large, while others are small, but it's not about size or numbers at all. A family can add up to any amount. What matters is making together time count. Sometimes a family's a party of 2. That one special person you love most, and you. Someone you can run to who makes it okay if you stumble a bit or have a bad day. A good time with family can take any form. You can play together quietly or dance and perform. You can fill your days with fun and the silliest songs. And when it comes to family, there's no right or wrong. All families are colorful in their own way, from pink, green, and blue to white, black, and gray. Each canvas is different, a true work of art, with each face and voice playing its unique part. What's better than sharing a smile with your mother or giggling along with your dad and your brother? Families make memories by laughing out loud. For laughter is best when it's shared with a crowd. Miss Monica's favorite part, cooking and baking, eating and sharing. Though these moments with family are all about caring. It's best when you're together all in one place and with food and love all around like cozy embrace and lots of cookies. There will be days that you spend far apart, but familia is always right there in your heart. And letters and phone calls or chats on a screen can shrink all the miles stretched out in between. Families can change and evolve now and then. New members may join and you gain a new friend. Having new siblings or more than one home just means love goes with you wherever you roam. Some family is chosen in groups or in pairs. You want them as your family. They want you as theirs. Just having a friend love the same things as you is more than enough to make them a family too. The older you get, the more you will see so many new branches on your family tree. Like an oak or a willow, love grows as it should until your family includes your whole neighborhood. It's not just about who shares your last name or whether your nose, eyes, and ears look the same. Family means more than just who you're born to. So what is a family? Well, here's one more clue. It's your parents and grandparents, siblings, and friends, and their love that you feel as every day ends. It's a hug or a high five or a song that you sing. A home is love, hope, and family, and that's everything. The end. Thank you to Sesame Street and Sourcebooks for those great books about family and love. And let's sing our goodbye song. Thank you for joining me today. Let's sing it. It is time to say goodbye to all our friends. It is time to say goodbye to all our friends. It is time to say goodbye. Give a smile and wink your eye. It is time to say goodbye to all our friends. Give a big wave, goodbye friends, and give me a big yee-haw. Ready? Yee-haw! Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.